Today we are going to set here the Flipping Timmy Trap, which is set for possums. So what we do here is we place our hand on the back of the trap and we're going to turn the red knob on the top to lower it down. When we open up the trap, you can see that the trap is still set. So what we want to do here is to hold the black string downwards on an angle, making a fist with our hand to ensure that our fingers aren't over the top of the kill bar, and from behind we want to push the kill bar forwards. So it's a bit of a push-pull motion, so we're pulling the black string down not too hard, and at the same time behind the kill bar slowly pushing it forward, and that is now unset. So you're safe to put your bait into the trap and make sure you push it all the way to the bottom, to the squiggly lines, and then all you do is close the trap, turn the tab, make sure that you're over the trap to reset it, and pull it straight up, and then the trap is set. Okay, so if we have a possum in the trap, there will be a possum dangling down from here, which is awesome. And so what you need to do to get the possum out of the trap is to set the trap again. So you'll come over the top of the trap and pull the string upwards, and it should either fall out, but if it's been there for a while and it's cold and stiff, what you can do is just hold the string and push the possum forwards with a stick, and he shall drop out and fall down, and then the trap's reset again.